Hi children, welcome back. Let us learn third chapter, Give and Take. This is from the Math Magic NCERT Mathematics textbook for class 3. So here we have some grid of 100 numbers, 1 to 100. Each row has 10 numbers and the count is from bottom to top. Okay, so here the question is, oh, I am Kitu, this is my home and it has 100 rooms. Help me painting some of the rooms. Okay, this is Ant's villa, it has 100 rooms. Okay, it wants to paint the rooms, maybe not all the rooms. Okay, so what it says, I start from the room number 2. This is room number 2 and I add 10 to 2 to reach room number 12. Right, 2 plus 10 is 12. Yes, this is 12 and paint it. Okay, and then to add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to the right to 10, then up to 11 and then step right to 12. Okay, what is this? Paint it. Okay, 12 is painted. Now to add 10 to 2, so it will be 2 plus 12. We can go all the way to the right to 10 and then up to 11. Right to 10 means like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. Then up to 11. This is 11. And then one step to the right, 12. Okay, how you will reach 12 it is saying here. Okay, like this only you will go like 10, after that 11 and 12. Is there any shortcut? This is the longest path if you go in sequence, crossing all the numbers. The shortcut to me, if it has the ladder, it appears it has the ladder, then from 2 to 12 it can directly climb, right? We can jump up one row. Jump from 2 to 12 is like taking how many steps? 10 steps, right? Yeah, that can be done. Now try one jump up from 14. So 14, if you jump to the next row above, it will be 24, right? 14 plus 10. Is it like this here? Yes, this is 14. If you jump up, it will be 24, right? This is the shortcut. And how will I go from 22 to 41? 22 to 41. So you can jump one above and another row above, 32 to 42, and then from there you can travel one digit, one room to the left, right? That's simple. So total from 22 to 41, how many steps did I go in all? It will be 41 minus 22. It will be how much? 41 minus 22. It will be 19 steps. 19 blocks or rooms you can call. Now, there is another way. There is another way. From 22 travel to 21. One step above, one step above. Right? So this is another way to reach the 41. So this is about some sweets. Let us do this math. 10 less than 34 is, you understand the question? 10 less than 24 is, that means 34 minus 10 is 24. Next, 53 minus 20 is 33. Okay, 11 more than 31 is 11 more. More means plus. In the first A, less means minus. 11 more means 31 plus 11. So, how do you add in quick this kind of addition, two digit additions, or maybe more digits in future? So, 31 plus 11, you borrow this one from here, 10 plus 1. So, 1 here is the 32. 32 plus 10, 42. That's simple. Okay, try practicing adding two digit numbers by heart without any pen, paper, pencil, paper. Right? 11 less than 66 is. Guess the answer? 11 less means it's a minus. 66 minus 11 is. If you know the 11 table, then it will be easier. It will be 55. 11 fives are 55. The next is 62 plus 13. What will be the answer? So here you can use the trick. 13 is 10 plus 3. This 3 you add to the 62. 62 plus 3 65 plus 10 75. So that way it's easier to make these kind of additions. Next one is 23 less than 89. Means 89 minus 23. How shall we make it? So let us add 1 to 89. Let's remove it later. 89 becomes 90. 90. You minus 23. 23 is 20 plus 3. You remove 20 first. 90 minus 20 is 70. 70 minus 3 is 67. Okay, and u minus, we added 1 earlier, so remove 1 from 67, it will be 66. You practice this kind of addition, subtraction, division and multiplications. And G, 10 and 40 more is 10 and 40 more is 10 plus 40, 50. H, 9 added to 28 gives. So 9 plus 28. How much? This you take 2 from here, add to this, it will be 30. Right? Here how much is left? 7. 30 plus 7, 37. Right? And this chapter is give and take. So you practice more and more of give and take. So you will succeed in this. The sum of 9 and 44 is, the sum of 9 and 44 is, how we shall do? Okay, the above one H we can do in another way. You take 1 from 28. So this will be 27 plus 1, right? 1 you add it, it will become 10. 10 plus 27. Easy to add. 37, right? Next, below one, 9 and 44. So here you can take 6 from this and add to this 44. It becomes 50, and you can add remaining 3 to this. So 50 plus 3 is 53. Otherwise, take 1 from here, 44, and add to this. This will be 10. Adding 10 to any number is easy, right? So this will be 10, this will be 43. 10 plus 43, 53. Now, next is J. Reducing 98 by 34 gives. Reducing means it is subtracting. So 98 minus 34 is, you can do the math very simple. 98, add 2 to this, it will be 100. Okay, 2 will subtract later. 100 by minus, this is 34, 30 plus 4. So let us subtract 30 first. 100 minus 30 is 70, and subtract 4 from that. 70 minus 4, 66, right? And we have added 2 earlier. We deduct that. 66 minus 2 gives 64. So the answer for this is 64. And next, 4 and 37 more are. So more means it's addition. 4 plus 37. So you can add this straight away. You take 3 from here, add to this, this becomes 40 plus 1, 41. Right? The next one, take 35 away from 83. Okay? Take 35 away from 83. What does it mean? Take means minus. 83 minus 35. Okay, it's a simple subtraction. You can use this grid also, okay, to remove. But the easiest way, every time you may not have this grid or you may need to draw, it takes some time. So the easiest way is, let us, we can do it without pen and paper, and first do it with pen and paper, and you can practice without the same. Okay, 83 minus 35. You can do this. 3 minus 5. We cannot do. So borrow 1 from 8. 1 is 10. This is a 10th place. So it will be 13 here. 13 minus 5 is 8. And here how much we are left with? 7. 7 minus 4 is, 7 minus 3 is 4. 48. So the answer to this L is 44. 47 is 37 plus 10. Yes, we know that. 37 plus 9. This ant is asking, is there any shortcut? Yes, we do have. We have seen, right? We do have the shortcuts. 37 plus 9. Simple thing is, either take 3 from this 9, add to this 37, or take 1 from 37 to make this 9 10. So the addition becomes simple, right? What will be the answer? So if you take 1 and add to the 9, this is 10, this is 36. 36 plus 10, 46, right? Next is 65 minus 30. It's a very simple, straight forward. It will be 35, right? You can keep this 5 somewhere, and 60. It will be, make it 60. 60 plus 5. 60 minus 30 is 30 plus 5, 35. So this insect is asking, will it be easier to go to 46 plus 20 first? Yeah, easier if you know. The problem here is 46 plus 21. So how we can make shortcuts? This is asking, going from 46, adding 46 and 20 is easier, right? So you split this 21 as 20 plus 1. So 46 plus 20 plus 1 is easier to add, right? 46 plus 20 is 56, 66 plus 1, 67, right? See this subtraction. 87 minus 30. You put equals this side or this side, doesn't matter. We want the answer here. So what will be the answer? 87 minus 30. So this appears to be very simple, straightforward. You can 0 from 7. So that will be 7 in the first digit. And 8 minus 3 is 5. The answer will be 57 for this. It's a straight subtraction. Okay, this one. 66 minus, what is this? Equals 11. Okay, this kind of a sums, how do you do? 66 minus question mark. Let us say we use x here, equals 11, right? We can exchange the numbers. Do you know that? If this is a minus, if this goes this side, it becomes plus. Okay, this will be plus x, and this 11, this is plus already, and if this goes this side, it will be minus. So it will be minus 11. Keep the equals there, and this is 66. The problem is 66 minus x equals 11. Now we simply shifted this number here to the left and x to the right. Plus x, you can write simple just x. Okay. Now you know this subtraction is very simple. 66 minus 11 is how much? 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer is 55. 66 minus 11 is 55 equals x. Okay. So the answer here will be 55. Okay. In this case, 36 equals x plus 9. How we will do this? 36 equals x plus 9. 36 equals x plus 9. So I told we can move the digits from one side to other side. We want x. This one, can we write like this? X plus 9 equals 36. So means the right side component part we have put it in the left, and the left component we have put it on the right. Right? Because we are interested in finding out this x. So x plus 9 equals to 36. What is x? That is the question. You can change the numbers from one side to other side, right? This 9 will move to the right. So this is plus. When it goes to the right, it will become 9 minus 9. The sign of this number changes. So 36 minus 9 is the x. X is 36 minus 9. You can do simple math, simple subtraction. 36, 9. 6 minus 9 we cannot do, borrow 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, minus 9 is 7. And how much is left here? 2. 2, 7, 27. So what will be the x? Is 20. What will be the x? 27. So 36 equals 27 plus 9. You got the answer. How to do this? Like this, try these examples. I'll tell you this one. X minus 21 is 35. X minus 21 is 35. X minus 21 is 35. Okay, can you tell what is x? We want x only. So we'll push this 21 to the right. So x equals 35 plus 21. Can you do a mental math? Mental math means without pen and paper. You can do. It's easy. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1's place and 10's place 3 plus 2 is 5. That's it. 56, if you put 56 here, 56 minus 21 is 35. That's the answer. Oh, here adding is made easy. Okay. Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees. She is a fruit vendor selling apples, bananas, and some mangoes. Is Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees. Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruits said 37 is 30 and 7. Oh, she is very educated and good at maths. 21 is 20 plus 1. Because she has to take money, right? For the fruits she sells, she should know maths. Additions perfectly and fastly, quickly. When you go to any vendor and you buy some items, ask how much I have to pay. They will tell it very fast. They are very quick at maths, right? Because that is their life. So 37 plus 21. She wants to add 37 plus 21. How much? So 37 is 30 plus 7. 21 is 20 plus 1. So this is making our life easier. 30 plus 50. 30 plus 20 is 50. 7 plus 1, 8. 50 plus 8 is 58. Right? So these kids are wondering how she could make the total so fast. So she used this trick to add those two numbers. Right? Let us try this. 26 plus 43. What we are doing here is breaking 26 into 20 plus 6. 43 into 40 plus 3. 20 plus 6. 40 plus 3. Anyway, total here also plus plus plus. Now let us bring this 40 to the left and 6 to here. So 20 plus 40. These are tens, right? These are single ones. 20 plus 40 is 60. 6 plus 3 is 9. 60 plus 9 is 69. Simple, right? You use this trick when adding numbers. You can apply this to 3-digit numbers as well. 3-digit and beyond as well. This is some mango chili game. This is some mango chili game. This is home. Roll a pair of dice and move by adding the numbers that come on the top of both dice. Keep a different colored button for each player. If you reach a mango, you go forward. If you step on a chili, you will have to go back one. See who reaches back home first. Right? This is interesting game. If you have dice will have a 6 sides. On each side, one number is written from 1 to 6. So, if you throw a dice, you may have one number, one dot, or two dots, or can come 6 even. Like that, 6 possibilities. Okay, here, how do we add 33 plus 56? 33, this is split like this. 33 is 30 plus 3. 56 is 50 plus 6. Now adding tens first. 50 plus 30, that is 80. And adding these ones. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 89. Easier, right? There is some addition here. You can do it easily. 25 plus 35. So you try this. And here 17 minus 7. This is also simple. You can make it. And here 9 plus 10. Okay, another math here. 37 fish plus 22 fish. What will be the total? 30 plus 7, 20 plus 2. So 30, first add tens and then ones. 30 plus 20, 50. Okay, 7 plus 2, 9. So it will be 59. These are some Diwali items it seems. Let us add 73 plus 24. 70 plus 3, 20 plus 4. 70 plus 20 is 90. And 3 plus 4, 7. So the answer will be 97. And how do you add 56 plus 21? One method is shown. 56 plus 21 is 56 plus 20 plus 1. This 1 you add it to the 56, so it will be 57. 57 plus 20, 67, 77. This is another way, right? Another quickest, fastest way to do it, right? Otherwise, earlier how we did 50 plus 6, 20 plus 1. So tens we added 50 plus 20, 70. 6 plus 1, 7. 77, right? And there is some math here. 47 minus 8. See how much it comes. In your textbook, write these answers. Okay? And use a rough notebook, rough paper to practice this. If you want to split these numbers and to add them, right? So here something is there. Minus 13, 65. How do we do that? 65 minus 13. It's simple. You can make it. This story is interesting. A lion baby is lost its home and is roaming here and there in the jungle. Right? A deer, old deer, looked at that baby lion. And baby lion is trying to find its mother, but the mother is not nearby. So what this deer did, it took to his place where all other rabbits, squirrels, birds are there, and this is a baby lion. See, baby lion is a wild animal, and rabbit won't do any harm, deer won't do any harm to the lion, but there is a possibility that lion can attack rabbits, deers, and eat them. So it's very dangerous to keep a wild animal among them. It's a very danger to keep a wild animal among them, right? And everyone warned, no, we should not keep this baby lion with us. We'll send this away. Maybe tonight it can stay here, but tomorrow we'll send them to its home, wherever it is. Okay? Now, when it is going, it wants to check, because it's a lion and it can eat even a squirrel, even a rabbit it can eat. So let us count how many we are. We should be 240 in all. They know how many they are. So baby lion, whether it has eaten any one of us. So let us count again. Okay, this is the baby lion near the deer, and these are the other animals here in the forest. So they want to count their number. That number should be 240 in all. Okay, now till you counted the rabbits and deers, and they were 27 and 48. 27 rabbits and 48 deers. Let us draw the birds and squirrels. Birds 124, squirrels 38. Okay, they know how many are there in their group. So let us count them. Deers 48, rabbits 27, and you know how to add tens and ones. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 4 19, plus 8 27. So 2 7 here and 2 here. 2 plus 3 5, plus 2 7, plus 4 11, plus 2 13, and 1 here 2. So what's the total? 237, right? So there is another way. You can make 20 plus, this is another way, by separating tens and ones. 20 plus 7, 40 plus 8, 120 plus 4, 30 plus 8. Add these tens separately, ones separately, and add both of them together. You will get the same answer, right? So the total is 237 in number, and they earlier they forgot to count correctly. So now we help them that they are not 240, but they are 237. Okay, now a factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. On the second day, it made 123 bulbs. This is a bulbs factory. Okay, they make the bulbs. Total, how many bulbs they made? It's a simple addition. 270 plus 123. Okay, this is how we add hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 270 plus 123. 0 plus 3, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So 393 bulbs they made. So this is some candle shop is selling candles, but someone has to bring the candles and for selling, right? This Paras is a seller, so he has a candles factory, and he gave him 237 more candles. So now Rafi will have how many candles? We have to add these two numbers. 153 he had earlier, now you got 237 more. So 237 plus 153, and this ant is worried the number will be more than 400 or less than 400. Can you guess? Here you see in hundreds place we see 2 here means 200, and the hundreds place here 1 means 100. So 200 plus 100, so it will be 300. Okay, definitely the total number of candles will be more than 300, but not sure if they will be more than 400, right? So unless we add these two others as well. Okay, you can add these two numbers and find out whether Rafi has 400, more than 400 candles or less than 400 candles. So this is a train. It has compartments. This is one compartment or bogie we call. This has 132 people, and another one has got 129. In all, how many people are there in both the compartments? So this is compartment 1, this is compartment 2. You can add these two numbers 132 plus 129 to get the total number of people there. It's easy, right? Shanu found how many pebbles? 138. Pebbles. Pebbles, we like to play, right? Small stones. And you may find it on the beach as well, or any other river area as well. Karim has 44 pebbles. So, how many in total they will have? 138 plus 44. It's a simple addition. Okay? Hundreds, tens, ones. You always write like this very clearly. Suppose say this 44. 4, the first 4 is under tens, under 1, the first 4 is under tens, and the second 4 is under tens. And when you write 138, 8 is under ones place, 3 is under tens place, 1 is under hundreds place. When you add these two numbers, you will get the answer here. 138 plus 44. Let us do. In both we have 100 place only 1, tens place we have 3, 3 and 4. Ones place we have 8 plus 4. So let us add these two. We'll start the addition always from ones place. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. Okay. So from 12, you put this ones digit here 2 and take this tens digit to the tens line. Okay, put it here, mark it here. So now add this tens. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. This is a single digit, so there is no carrying to the next hundreds. Okay, 8, and in hundreds we have 1. So what is the total? 182. Okay, oranges and mangoes. Students like, right? And the teacher one day made some record. So girls who likes oranges are 136, who likes mangoes are 240. Boys who likes oranges are 128, who likes mangoes are 243. Right? Can you tell me how many girls are there who like? Okay, let us answer some questions here. How many students in the school like oranges? So girls 136, boys 128. So 136 plus 128, it will be the answer, the total number of students who likes oranges. 136 plus 128. So girls 136, boys 128. 136, 128. This is girls, boys. Let us add these two. So the addition is simple. It can be 2 digit, 3 digit, or multiple digits as well. You always start the addition from ones. 6 plus 8 is how much? 14. This ones digit you put under ones, and this tens digit you put it under tens. This is carry forward. And tens, you add these two. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. And add hundreds. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what's the total? 264. So these are oranges. And next question. How many students in the school like mangoes? You need to add these two numbers. Girls 240, boys 243. The total will be the students who likes mangoes, right? And all together means total. How many students are there in the school? If you add, you get some number here. You get some number here. If you add these two, you will get a number here. That is the total number of students. in the class. And this will be the same if you add these two girls, 136 plus 240, this, and this 128 plus 243, these two numbers if you add, you will get the answer here. So if you add either you add these two or these two, you will get the same number here. Okay, so once you count, is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So we will try like this. Girls without adding. So 136 means 100 is here. 240 means 200 is here. 100 plus 200 is 300, right? And in tens, we have 3 here, 3 tens, 30. And here 4 tens, 40. 40 plus 30 is 70. So hundreds how many? 1 plus 2, 3. Tens 70. So 370 plus 6, 376. So the number of girls are more than 350, right? 3-digit numbers. It's a very simple. It's very simple. You always start with ones. This is 1. This is a 10. This is 100, right? So 9 plus 3 is 12. So 2 will put here. 1 will go under this 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6, 4, 2. 642 is the answer for this. Okay, like this, you try adding these other numbers as well. See, the number is 59 here. 59 you can write like 50 plus 9, and you can write 30 plus 29. 30 plus 29 is also 59. 19 plus 40. 59 plus 0. Okay, there are many possibilities that can make up a number. You have a number 10. It can be 1 plus 9 is 10. 2 plus 8, 10. 2 fives are 10. Like this. All these make up this number. 78. You can try different combinations here. 78. You can write 70 plus 8. 60. 60 plus 18. 30. If you remove 30, subtract 30 from 78, how much will be left? 48. 30 plus 48 will be 78. Like this, you can write different possibilities. 83. We can write 80 plus 3, and this is 43. So it will be 40 plus 43. Okay, and fill in this as well with any number. You put any number here, and the remaining number you can put it here. So adding these two numbers should give you this 83. Okay, below that we have 99. We can write as 90 plus 9. This is 69. 60 plus 39. And you write the other possibilities. How we may get 99. Similarly for 102, 168. This is a puzzle. You try it. So we got how many circles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. We have 6 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 numbers, 1 number in each circle. So the condition here is, if you add each side, any side, the total should be 12. You got it? Like if you write 3 here, okay, 4 here, 3 plus 4 is 7, and to get 12, how much you need? 5. So 3, 4, 5, if you write, the total will be 12. Okay, so what you will write here? So you have to write, the numbers in such a way that if you add this, you should get 12. If you add this, you should get 12. Okay, this 3, any of the 3, if you add, you should get 12. Try this puzzle, it's very interesting. So here we are trying to tell you that adding digits mentally without pen and paper is going to help you a lot in solving bigger problems, bigger puzzles, bigger math problems, and they will help you in giving, in writing your exams well, right? So when you have a number like 75 plus 20, don't take pen and paper, attempt to do it mentally. Oh, here it is. We told you some tricks how to do this, how to split the number tens and ones and add or subtract easily, like this one, 75 plus 20. Okay, 5, you can keep 70 plus 5, you can split. 70 plus 20 is 90, plus 5, 95. Like this, 90 plus 60, what's the answer? 150. You can do it very easily, like we have 0 here, 0 here. Add the tens digits. 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. Add 0 on the right side, so 15, 0, 150. Right, add these other numbers as well mentally. Let us take this example, 500 plus 200. Do you need pen and paper for this? I don't think so. Here 500s, here 200s. So total 5 plus 2 is 7, 0, 0. Put 2 zeros, then it will be 700. That is 700. So okay, you did it without any pen and paper, right? So you try practicing. Let us do this big number. Which one do you think is a big number? So 205 plus 650. Let us try this number. Here it is 200 plus 5. Here it is 600 plus 50. The minute you split, the problem becomes easier. 200 plus 5, 600 plus 50. This 600 plus 200, add those 200s first. 200 plus 600, 6 plus 2 is 8, 0, 0 is 800, right? Now how much we are left with? 5 here, 50 here. 5 plus 50, 55. So hundreds, 800 plus 55. It will be 855. Okay. So you try practicing these others as well. Okay, you have written some answers here. So you have to draw a line through them. 95, 150, 95, 150. And the next one is 25, 33. So this will be 20 plus 30 is 50. Plus 5 is 55. Plus 3, 58. It is 58. This is 58. So this line will come here like this. You have all these numbers here. Then you draw this line. The next number like this. Draw a line through the numbers which are answers written in the boxes above. These are the boxes. You have written the answers and to draw a line through them. Okay. That may get you to the bag here, 86. The last answer, let us see. 37 plus 46 plus 3. 37 plus 3. Oh, this seems to be simple. 37 plus 3 is 40. 40 plus 46 is 86. Okay, yes. The bag is near 86. Okay, so the all other answers are inside this grid. Okay, try them. So this is some card games. You cut some hard paper into cards and write numbers on that, and write the addition, subtraction, equals to also, and organize in such a way that you see how this kid is organizing. So you can write 10, 20 like that, some numbers and some addition, some equals. You can play this with your friends, very interesting. So you can say, you can put 150 here on card, minus sign here, and another card which is having 30. So this reads like 150 minus 30 equals, here you put a blank card. You don't put anything, he has to pick the card from the cards you may have. So he has to pick 120 from your cards. Okay, that's how you play with your friends. Okay, there is some homework. You need to prepare the cards and then you can play this game well, right? So I told you earlier, this 150 minus 30 is how much? It will be 120. Okay, we can organize in a different way. This is minus 30, right? If you send this number to the other side, it becomes plus. So minus 30 becomes plus if it goes the other side. So 150 equals 120 plus 30, right? So same thing is written here. So the reverse, both are same, right? 120 plus 30 equals 150, right? So either way, 30 first, 120 next, the total remains same, right? So you pick cards 50, 70 and 20 and put it in the blocks which fits where. Okay, so example I will tell you. So the first number you can keep 50 here. What's the biggest number? Is 70. 70 must be the total sum, right? That should be on the right side answer. And here 50 plus 20. Here 50, here 20. So they both make 70. Like this. Like this, two other blocks. I'll try to fill in the other blocks as well. Okay, so we had fun with the numbers, give and take. Okay, let us join again in another class. Bye for now.